Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up your wireless internet on your PSP. First of all, go to settings and scroll right down to the bottom to network settings. Click that. Go infrastructure mode, and then you click new connection and scanning. Then it should find your wireless internet. So click X. Then push your right arrow, then click no security, so none, and click the right arrow again and do the right arrow again on easy, and name your connection. What would you like your connection name to be? So once you've done that, click the right arrow again and scroll down to double check all your details, and once it's right, just push the arrow again and push X, and it's really basically that easy. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this, and make sure you also go to my website, as I'm trying to get it on Google, and sign guest book. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.